Camp Griddle more, on these cold winter days and these cold winter nights, I do like to order takeout occasionally, and I like to order myself a really delicious chicken parm. But Sean, takeout's a little expensive, isn't it?
Oh my God, so expensive.
It's so expensive right now. One of my kids dashed something the other night. It was $42. I don't want to do that. I want to make something delicious right here on the Blackstone E-Series. So on this episode, we're going to make my Chicken Parm Dippers, and they are so delicious, so affordable, so easy to make. So let's get camping and let's get cooking. Let's get started by prepping our thin cut chicken cutlets, which are going to work perfect for my chicken parm dippers, which are basically a sandwich, not a sub, but you get to do some dipping at the end. We're just gonna go down with a little bit of olive oil on the chicken cutlets, and then we got this really nice Italian seasoning for Christmas that is so fresh and so tasty. You use whatever Italian seasoning you can get your hands on, and then we're gonna hit the griddle at about 350 degrees for the chicken cutlets. We are going to go about 5 minutes per side on the chicken, give it a flip, do another 5 minutes, pull it off right around 165 degrees because the chicken's actually gonna go back on the griddle. Once we pull the chicken off, we're gonna give it a little bit of a wipe and have a fresh start for round 2 on the griddle after we assemble our chicken parm dippers. I am so excited about this fresh baked Italian bread from a local bakery. You can get it from the grocery store, but if you can get fresh baked, go for it. So let's start by putting some provolone down. Even though these are chicken parm dippers, we're gonna start with provolone on the bottom, a little bit of pepperoni, then we're going to put our chicken down, more pepperoni, and then we're gonna go down with a generous amount of this nicely shaved Parmesan cheese. And then we're gonna put our tops on the sandwiches, and we're going to spread out the Kerrygold garlic, herb, and butter. And this stuff is a total cheat code for making any kind of delicious Italian styled sandwich. It makes your bread taste just like garlic bread. Love this butter so much. We used it when we made our pizza steaks. Sean, do you remember those delicious pizza steaks we made last summer?
So underrated.
So underrated. One of our best episodes ever. Those were so delicious. We're back with the Kerrygold garlic and herb butter again today. These are ready to hit the griddle, but we actually want to drop our temp down to 300 because we're going to go a bit low and slow on these. And I think it's so important to keep the griddle on a lower heat so everything melts to perfection and nothing burns. The spatula maneuver was a little clumsy for flipping these, so let's do the other two by hand. And once they are down on the griddle, let's get our Kerrygold butter on the other side as well. I'm gonna let that bottom half coast for about 8 minutes, and while we're doing that, let's pour our Jersey Italian gravy into some little ramekins so we can do some dipping later. Though I've never tried this sauce before, but I saw it at the grocery store, and because it's from New Jersey, I knew it would be good. That Italian seasoning we got for Christmas was so good, I want to get some extra mileage out of it. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit on our dipping sauce as well. It's been about 6 minutes, 7 minutes at the most, and these are ready to be flipped, and take a look. They are cooking to perfection. I love, love, love that cheese skirting, so make sure you let some of your provolone overhang on this sandwich. After 6 minutes on the other side, these look cooked to perfection. Chicken parm dippers on the Blackstone 17-inch E-Series. They are so much better than takeout. Let's dive in and take a bite.
You just got that all over the place. It looked like it dripped all over the ground.
I need a plate, dude. I just double dipped. Don't tell the kids. They hate double dippers. That Italian bread from the bakery with the garlic and herb butter is so crunchy. It is so delicious. It's such a perfect first bite of that sandwich. And then you work your way through to that provolone, the melted Parmesan. The chicken is tender and juicy. I love the Italian spices on this. And let's not forget about the pepperoni, Sean. The pepperoni is such a nice touch for this sandwich. And our Jersey Italian gravy. makes for the perfect dip. I love every single inch of these chicken parm dipper sandwiches. Absolute perfection on the Blackstone E-Series. Thank you so much for joining us for another cozy at-home episode of Camp Griddle More on the Blackstone E-Series. As you can see, I love cooking on this griddle. Helps me get through the winter, and we will be back at the campground soon, and we will see you there, and we will see you right here next week on Camp Griddle More.